Former Google CEO Eric Schmidt is in the center of a new tech venture, Whitestock, a startup developing kamikaze drones powered by artificial intelligence. The project, operating under shell companies, aimed to provide Ukraine with advanced drone technology for their ongoing conflict with Russia. Smith, the industry veteran, previously led the National Security Commission on Artificial Intelligence after leaving Google. The commission issued a report in 2021 that stated AI will transform the way war is conducted in every domain. It seems Smith is capitalizing on that vision with the Whitestock. Whitestock is said to be a low-cost drone, estimated at $400 each, and carries a small number of explosives. In that column, Smith also highlighted the affordability and potential military significance, calling them the most important weapon against Russia. This coincides with US scaling back deals with traditional arms manufacturers, further fueling speculation about the self-serving interest in Smith's recent article claimed Ukraine losing drone war and predicting the reliance on millions of imported drones in 2024. Additionally, Whitestock operations through shell companies, one listing Smith as a beneficiary and another under the sole control of a family office employee, adds to the project's opaqueness.